Hey you guys, it's Pussy coming back to you with another freaking video. And today, you will be learning with me as I go along on how to make a new lip gloss to add to my line. Now, I've been wanting to add this lip gloss to my line for a while, but I really did not know how to make the lip gloss. But I bought all the supplies that I would need for this lip gloss, so I'm able to, experiment with this, you know what I mean? But before we jump right into this video, if y'all haven't been checking out my website, which is www.embraceheritage.com, y'all missing out on the new items that I did add to my site. So before we jump right into the video, I just want to show you the new items that I added. I added body bars, y'all. Can y'all see that? All natural body bar that I added to my website. If y'all want to learn more about it, just visit my website, click the link below in the description box and go read about them, go purchase them, go check me out. Okay, so anyways, now let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so now I'm all ready. I got my hair back, I got my hands washed, I got my supplies and everything. So let's just get into this video. Okay, so the things I'm trying to accomplish today is to try to make a lip gloss that basically not change color, but you know how the candy car paint, I think that's what it's called. Well, I know that's what I used to call it when we was younger. We used to call it candy painted cars, because like in one light it looks blue and another light it looks purple. It changed colors depending on like what angle it's at. So I wanted to make a lip gloss that kind of looked like the candy painted car. So that's what I'm going to attempt to make today. So I got my gloss, I got my container, and the way I measure is the measurements on the container. Okay, so yeah, so let's just get into this. I'm not going to make a lot because once again, I really don't know how I want this lip gloss to turn out. So I have my little scooper right here, and I got my oils and everything else, and I'm about to pour. One of my oils is grapeseed oil, okay? And I like grapeseed oil because a lot of people is not allergic to it, you know what I mean? So that's why I added into my lip gloss. And then another reason is because of the shine and the moisturization it gives your skin. Another thing you will need is chopsticks. I'm talking to y'all like this a tutorial or something. So I got my chopstick. I'm going to mix this around. Okay, y'all. So I went and added the other ingredients that I did add, and it is fully mixed together. You see the drip of the glitter? That's how thick I like, or thick or thin, in the middle of how I like my lip gloss. Now I'm going to add the mix of powder into the gloss mix. I know y'all like to see the mix of everything, so I'm going to bring y'all closer. Okay, y'all, so this is what the mix look like. As you can see the pink, you can see the orange. I kind of see like a lavender color like over there. You know what I mean? So let me know, should I leave it like this, or should I add some white to it and, make it look better? Because I'm not liking the look of this. But I love the different colors. OMG, this is so cute. Out in the sun, but I'm just not feeling like how it looks like this. You feel me? Like y'all probably like the look of that, but I don't like the look of this. So I'm going to add some white to it and kind of turn it into like a pearl lip gloss. You feel me? That's what it's going to look like, because this is what I did when I was making my sample. But anyways, guys, how y'all day going? How y'all morning going? It is my birthday weekend. My birthday is May 4th, okay? And I ain't doing much because you know the city's still on lockdown. I'm mad because I can't do nothing. I had all them clothes thinking I'm gonna go out, you know, to the club, get dressed up, get cute and get my wig all did up and everything. But honey, can't do nothing. Everything's supposed to have open up on May 1st and ain't nothing opening up, honey. I'm just in the house with my kids, up making YouTube videos. Like, that's my life right now. And doing orders. Like, I got so many orders around me. Y'all can't see it. But honey, I got so many orders around me, and then Amazon taking all day. Lord, it's just like a mess. It's just really a mess. So, you know, to keep me busy, I gotta think of other things to add to my site and new things to make, and that's why I'm here now, making this lip gloss. Because I don't got nothing else to do. I don't have nothing else to do. I think I added too much of white in it. But it's very cute up close. So let me bring y'all up close once again, okay? Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like up close. I don't know which one did y'all like better, because I really believe like I added too much white into it. And so now I'm probably going to have to make a bigger batch to fix this. But I really like how it's turning out. It's very cute. You see all the colors at the bottom and everything. And yeah. Okay, so this is what the swatch look like. It gives your skin like a cream color. Look, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's giving my skin like a cream color. But I like this. So I'm going to add this to my site. Hey now. I'm about to fill up 2 tubes and show y'all what it looks like. So I got my clean tubes, clean hands. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I do not like working with gloves on. And the reason why I don't like working with gloves on, because it's just, it makes your job much harder. If you stay with clean hands, you don't have to worry about, you know, your stuff being unsanitized and stuff like that. That's why I have wipes to the right of me, because honey, I want to make sure everything is clean. Long story short, stay clean, okay? And as y'all can see, my hands didn't get sticky. My hands didn't get dirty. My hands is still clean, okay? This is how I do my lip gloss orders. This is how I prep all my lip glosses. You know, I wash the tubes first and so forth and so on. But anyways, this is the finished look. It looks ugly. It looks ugly up close. But hold on, let me show y'all, you know, let me show y'all. This is what it looks like. I'm liking these. Let me know if y'all like these in the comment section below. I will add them to my site. These is just so freaking cute. Up close. Very pretty. Yes. Okay, y'all, I am finally finished with this video. I know the video probably seemed like all over the place, but I really didn't know what I was doing. I really didn't know how the lip gloss was going to turn out. And as y'all see, honey, it turned out cute. Like, it's very cute. And I am going to add this to my site, but I'll probably just add like 5 of each color. You know, I only made 2 colors. I don't even have a name for them. Anyways, I am happy with the turnout. I am so excited about the turnout. And these probably will be available on my site May 4th, which is my birthday, which is Monday. I will be adding these to my site. Remember, it's only 5 available for each color. It's only 2 colors, 5 available, meaning it's only 10 available, okay? But anyways, I am happy. I am so happy. As y'all can tell, I can't stop smiling because they look cute, okay? But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for getting me to 700 subscribers, y'all. I am so happy about that. Thank y'all. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share my video. You know what I mean? Get me up there to 1,000. I will be so happy once I reach 1,000. I can't wait until I'm able to like make a real income because I'm giving back. Y'all know me, I'm giving back. So anyways, let me end this video because I can just keep on talking and talking. Have a great day. Peace out.